Hello! If you're watching this video, you've probably purchased a light utility cabinet. We invite you to enjoy one of our ideal products that will help you organize your home in no time. The only tool you need to assemble a Rimax cabinet is a screwdriver. Therefore, it's important to ensure that all pieces fit properly. Before starting the assembly process, it's essential to find a suitable space to lay out all the pieces and work on a clean surface to protect the cabinet. Step 1. Base. To begin this process, take the piece A without the logo. Place it on the floor and choose the 4 heels or pieces F1 and F2. Insert 1 piece in each corner. 2 on the right side and 2 on the left side. Make sure they are properly installed in their respective positions. Rotate the piece, leave it on the floor, and voila! The base of the closet will be ready. Step 2. Lower sides. Take 2 panels B and verify that the side groove faces the back of the cabinet. Insert each panel B into piece A, which is the base. Place 1 on each side and make sure they fit correctly. Step 3. Lower back. Locate panel G and, following the indication on the piece, turn it and bring it to the back of the cabinet. Slide it along the guides of the pieces B or sides until it reaches piece A, base. Make sure the pieces are securely locked. You should feel a click. Step 4. Side connectors. Now, you should take pieces I and insert them into pieces B or sides. These pieces serve as connectors and help secure the structure. Step 5. Lower doors. Now we are going to assemble the doors. For this, you should take 2 pieces D, doors, 2 pieces H, door connectors or handles, and 1 piece C1 and 1 piece C2 that serve as the bottom door plugs. When placing the door connectors or handles, make sure they fit correctly. Place the right assembled door on the axis of the base. Verify that when installing the doors previously assembled, you have secured them properly with the side connector. Repeat the procedure with the left door. It is important to ensure that it is well installed on the axis of the base, as this is how the door becomes hinged. Step 6. Rear connector. Now, you should take piece K and install it on piece G or lower back. This piece serves as a connector and helps secure the structure. Step 7. Upper sides. Now you should take the remaining 2 panels B. Attach the right side to the connector I that is already installed. Repeat the previous process with the left piece. Make sure the connector fits properly. Step 8. Upper back. Locate the other panel G, and following the indication on the piece, turn it and bring it to the back of the closet at the top. Slide it along the guides of pieces B, sides, until it reaches the connector. Make sure that the parts are securely locked. You should hear a click. This completes the back of the cabinet. Step 9. Upper doors. For this, you should take 2 D door pieces and 1 C1 and 1 C2 piece that serve as the upper door plugs. Place the C pieces on the top of each door. Now, assemble them over the lower doors on each side, left and right. Make sure the doors fit together correctly. Step 10. Top panel. Take the last piece A, the one with the Rimax logo. Place the top panel over the structure of the cabinet. carefully assemble each corner so that the entire product is joined together. Tip: gently place it and apply pressure at each corner to make it easier. Step 11. Shelves. Now we will put the shelves of the cabinet, so take the J pieces and the E pieces and place them at the desired height. Take 4 J pieces and insert the pin into the holes of the cabinet, as shown here. Place them at the same level at the height you want the shelf. Once the J pieces are in place, insert the shelf corresponding to the E piece. Adjust and repeat this step with each shelf. Now your light utility cabinet is ready to be used. Armando is happy. Your spaces with Rimax are more functional, cozy, and practical. Share these great ideas for organizing your home with your friends. Suggestions: for regular cleaning of your cabinets, use conventional detergents, rinse with plenty of water, and do not use abrasive cloths or metal sponges, as they could damage the surface of the cabinet. Find our products at all Rimax stores nationwide or on our website, www.rimax.com. Find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok too, with great usage ideas and promotions that will captivate you.